Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are unboxing Sony PS5 Mortal Kombat 11 Ultimate, which includes Mortal Kombat 11, Kombat Pack 1, Aftermath Expansion and Kombat Pack 2. With this edition you can play as complete 37 character roster, which includes the newly added fighters Melina, Rain and Rambo. You can also customize thousands of skins, weapons and gear. On the back of the disc, as you can see, we have a lot of text to read. It does say the definitive experience, which means the visual enhancements, 5K dynamic resolution, reduced load times, crossplay and more. And also it includes 2 cinematic stories and all previous guest fighters such as Terminator, Joker, Spawn and Robocop. Once we open the box, we have one Ultra HD Blu-ray disc. Please do note, in order to play this game, internet is must, and also 80 GB storage is minimum required. On the left side, we have a photo logo with the instructions on the back. Unfortunately, this PS5 Ultimate Edition doesn't come with an extra disc. Instead, they give you access code for downloading that extra content of MK11 Aftermath plus Kombat Pack 1 and 2. In order to redeem the code, you need to create an account on your PS5 console and follow the rest of the steps as given. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it and see you soon with another unboxing video.